Good morning student. In today's class I will discuss about 8085 microprocessor. At the end of the class you will be able to understand about what is microprocessor, what is microcomputer, what is microcontroller. Even though we will also be able to understand architecture of microcomputer system and components of ALU. So let's start from microprocessor. What is microprocessor? A microprocessor is a multi-purpose programmable clock-driven register-based electronic device, or it is an integrated circuit which perform all the function as that of CPU. Now, microprocessor that microprocessor that read binary instruction from a storage device called memory. That means microprocessor read binary instruction. Suppose instruction is add, subtraction, division, multiplication, whatever, which read the data or instruction from the memory and accept the binary data either 00, 01, 10, that read the input data from input device and access the data according to the instruction which is given by the memory. Either it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Then after the instruction it result as a output through output devices. Microprocessor are actually just CPU on a chip. Now, what is microcomputer? A microcomputer is a small, relatively inexpensive computer with a microprocessor at its central processing unit, CPU. It includes a microprocessor, memory, and input-output facilities. Microcomputer became popular in the 1970s and 80s with the advent of increasingly powerful microprocessor. There is a diagram of microcomputer. Input device, microprocessor or CPU. There is output device and there is memory. It is a small computer made up of a microprocessor as central processing unit and sufficient input devices and memory. Microprocessor, nothing but a CPU, is connected with the input device or output device as well as the memory. After completion of microprocessor, microcomputer and microcontroller, We will discuss about the function of input devices, output devices. Then what's microcontroller? A microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit containing a processor core, memory and a programmable input output peripherals. Here is the picture of integrated. Microcontroller term is made up of micro plus controller. Micro plus controller. Micro means very small in size and controller means having the ability to control machine or gadgets. Microcontrollers are also known as computer on a chip or microcontroller are basically designed for some specific application only while computer can perform many tasks at a time. Microcontroller is consist of input devices, CPU, output devices or memory. After combining all these devices, it form a microcomputer. All the devices are inside a single. Now there is an architecture of microcomputer system. Microcomputer system mainly comprises of input output devices, CPU, output devices and memory. Now discuss about function of input devices. Output devices or memory. So starts from memory. Memory consists of RAM and ROM. The purpose of memory is used to store binary codes for the sequence of instruction you want the computer to carry out. The second purpose of memory is used to store the binary coded data which the computer is going to be working. Means it is a device used to store information either temporarily or permanently. If it is store the data temporarily, that means it's stored in a RAM or random access memory. Whether it is stored permanently, that means in ROM, read only memory. Input devices. These are the devices which are used by the user to give input to the CPU or computer. The input may be an instruction or data. Basic input devices which are used in computer are keyboard and mouse. And output devices, these are used to take stored data either from CPU or memory, converts it in the form which can be understood by the user and transfer it in the outside world. Example of output devices are monitor, LED or LCD, printer, 7-segment display, etc. CPU, Central Processing Unit. In a microcomputer, CPU is a microprocessor that fetches binary coded instruction from memory, decodes the instruction into a series of simple actions, and carries out this action in a sequence of steps. The CPU also contains an address counter or instruction pointer register which holds the address of the next instruction or data item to be fetched from memory. In architecture of computer system, there is a three bus: address bus, data bus, and control bus. Let's start from address bus. The address bus consists of 16 lines, 20 lines, 24 or 32 parallel signal lines. On this line, the CPU sends out the address of the memory location that is to be written to or read from. The number of memory location that the CPU can address is determined by the number of address line. If the CPU If the CPU has an address line that it can directly addresses 2 to the power n memory location. That is, CPU with 16 address line can addresses, that is 2 to the power 16 equal to equal to 65536 or 64 kilobyte the location. Address bus generally used to carry the address of the memory location or input output devices that the CPU wants to access. Address bus is unidirectional, that means data flows in one direction from microprocessor to peripheral devices. Data bus. The data bus consists of 8, 16 or 32 parallel signal. In 8085 microprocessor, data bus consists of 8 parallel signal lines. The data bus lines are bidirectional. That means the CPU can read data in from memory or it can send data out to memory. Now, control bus. The control bus consists of 4 to 10 parallel signal lines. The CPU sends out signal on the control bus to enable the output of the addressed memory device or port device. Control bus is generally used to carry necessary control signals between the microprocessor, memory or input-output devices. Control signals are memory read, memory write, IO read or IO write. There is a component of CPU. Microprocessor is divided into three segments, or CPU is divided into three segments, that is ALU, register and control unit. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This is the area of microprocessor where various computing functions are performed on data. The ALU performs operations such as addition, subtraction, logic operations such as AND, OR, and exclusive OR. ALU performs arithmetic logical operation on the data received from memory or input-output devices. The function of ALU is to perform arithmetic or logic operation according to the instruction given by the user. Arithmetic operation includes addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and there is logical operation includes and or exclusive or not, etc. Control unit. The control unit provides the necessary timing and control signals to all the operation in the microprocessor. It controls the flow of data between the microprocessor and memory and peripheral. It acts as a brain of a computer. It controls the all operation of the CPU. Timing and control unit is also control the input, output and all other devices connected to the CPU, or it provides timing and control signal to control the flow of data between the microprocessor or input or output devices. Register. Register are storage devices to store data temporarily. These registers are primarily used to store data temporarily during the execution of a program and are accessible to the user through the instruction. Or registers are basically used to store the data during the execution of a program. Registers are temporary storage location inside the CPU that hold data, and registers are made up of flip-flops. In 8085 microprocessor, registers are classified into three types: general purpose register, special purpose register, and flag register or status flag. Thank you.